Welcome to the comprehensive guide to Axie Infinity Axie Movesets, where we will break down the key concepts and best practices to help you master the game. In Axie Infinity, an Axie is a digital creature with unique characteristics and abilities, and its moveset plays a crucial role in determining its performance in battles. To start, let's understand the different types of moves in Axie Infinity. There are two primary types of moves: melee and ranged. Melee moves deal damage to enemies in close range, while ranged moves can attack enemies from a distance. Each Axie has a unique set of 4 moves, which are determined by its breed, class, and level. When building an Axie moveset, it's essential to consider the Axie's class and breed. For example, a plant Axie with a high health stat would be ideal for a defensive moveset, while a beast Axie with high attack power would be better suited for an aggressive moveset. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each Axie class and breed is crucial in creating an effective moveset. A well-balanced moveset should include a mix of damage-dealing moves, healing moves, and defensive moves. For instance, a moveset with 2 damage-dealing moves, 1 healing move, and 1 defensive move can provide a good balance of offense and defense. It's also important to consider the energy cost of each move, as Axies can only use a limited number of moves per turn. When selecting moves, consider the Axie's stats, such as its health, attack, and speed. For example, an Axie with low health would benefit from a healing move, while an Axie with high attack power would benefit from a damage-dealing move. Additionally, consider the Axie's abilities, such as its critical hit chance and evasion rate, when selecting moves. To illustrate this, let's consider a practical example. Suppose we have a plant Axie with high health and a defensive breed. We could build a moveset with 2 healing moves, 1 defensive move, and 1 damage-dealing move. This would allow the Axie to absorb damage, heal itself, and deal moderate damage to its enemies. Best practices for building an effective Axie moveset include experimenting with different combinations of moves, considering the Axie's stats and abilities, and adapting to the opponent's moveset. It's also important to stay up to date with the game's meta and balance changes, as these can impact the effectiveness of certain moves and strategies. In conclusion, building an effective Axie moveset in Axie Infinity requires a deep understanding of the game's mechanics, as well as the Axie's unique characteristics and abilities. By considering the Axie's class, breed, stats, and abilities, and experimenting with different moves and strategies, you can create a well-balanced and effective moveset that will help you succeed in battles.